it's a holiday. Bond markets are closed. The fact that we do seem to be taking a breather here with equities makes sense?
It does, because what we're dealing with here is the denial of the tariff rollback. You got a little sense of that on Friday. It was reconfirmed over the weekend, and it hit the Chinese markets along with the Hong Kong demonstrations, but primarily it hit the Chinese markets on the tariff deal, and they got hit severely, and we're just playing a little catch-up. I think they're going to try and circle the wagons here and see if they can tiptoe back up, maybe, and get or at least cut the losses a little further.
What do you think is priced in the market right now in terms of a so-called phase one trade deal?
I think it's priced in, assuming that we're going to get near there. The tariffs remain a bit of an open question. I mean, they could always blow up at the last minute. All you need is one helicopter press conference and everything can change. So, but I think it's probably 60% priced in already. If you got a confirmation, you'd get a couple of 100 points running the Dow.
Earnings season almost over, better than expected. How does that set us up for the rest of the year and into next?
It is better than expected, but you've got to take that with a grain of salt. More companies are edging out the estimates, but they're edging them out in a very minimal fashion. So we're not moving. So there are rising questions about the fourth quarter, but the guidance has not been terribly bad. So companies are not pre-excusing what's going on. So, we'll hold up together. It's going to be a light volume day. As you say, the bond market's closed, and I don't see much of anything happening.
One of the other things I know you focus on is geopolitics. Obviously, we had protests, some violence in Hong Kong over the weekend. Turkey has also been a flashpoint for weeks now. We're supposed to have Erdogan from Turkey coming to meet with President Trump this week as well. What are you watching on that front?
Well, I don't think anything explosive is going to come out of that. There's still a lot of pushback that the president may have made it easier for Erdogan to move into Syria, basically giving them the go-ahead. So I think you'll probably hear Democratic criticism more than anything coming out of either Trump or Erdogan and where they're going to go. So, the impeachment's not a factor yet. The Bloomberg candidacy may have a very, very short life and a short shelf life, and we'll see, because when he announced, you got a lot of publicity, and then the talk shows on Sunday, things were kind of not taking the candidacy too seriously, so we don't know where we're going to go from.
Well, he hasn't announced yet, to be fair.
Well, he hasn't officially announced, but he is filing in Alabama.
Yes.
So,
All right. In terms of key levels to watch here, especially since we are coming off of record closes on Friday?
Yeah, no, I think the pullback will be contained unless there is something new on the trade deal. So I think what you want to watch is this morning's lows. Do you stay above them? And that will give the bulls a little initiative. If you were to weaken again and you take out the morning lows, then that could mean we'd be in for a multi-day sell-off. So we'll see.